Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's day 6 of our Steamies of Sodor backyard Christmas hunt. Well, it's no longer Christmas, so shall we say New Year's hunt? We'll figure that out later. I have to tell you though, Zizah gets so excited when we go on a hunt. And I'd like for you to join us. But before we go, please subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, and of course, share. Let's go. Okay, so you're gonna have to open those. Let's see if we find. Open the box. You wanna open the box? Pick a box and open it. You gonna open that?
What is green trail?
Open the box.
Hey, look at Edward.
Okay, pull it. Pull. Pull it. What's in that box? Let's see. What is there? Anything in there? What's in that?
Oh, that's nothing.
That's James. Nothing? He said it's nothing. Well, he may be right, because this is all that is left of James. After being dropped, crashed, thrown all over, only the shell of his tinder remains. But all is not lost. I mean, what would Sodor be without James, right? So here is new James and not so new James. But let's keep that a secret because we haven't gone on the hunt for him just yet. James, what's in that one? Open that one. Let's see what's inside.
What's inside?
Ooh. I wonder what you're going to find inside that one. What's inside that one?
Edward. That's Emily.
You found Emily? It's not Edward. Let me see.
My name is Emily. Is it color?
Sadly, his heart was set on Edward, but there is no Edward to be found. So, back to Emily. And Emily will join the rest of the Sodor gang. Welcome, Emily.
Emily?
Maybe tomorrow you'll get Edward. Who knows? Is that good? Emily is a beautiful emerald green engine with shiny paintwork and gleaming brass fittings. She can be a little bossy and think she knows best, but is always ready to help a friend. She is the newest member of the STEAM team, Steamy number 12. If you like what you saw, please let us know by giving us a little like and subscribe and share. We thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.